Preston is committed to building confidence in CPR training instructors and their students by continuing to invest in new product development and lead the market with innovative products featuring the most realistic mannequin designs, durable and affordable constructions, and intuitive feedback to successfully prepare students with the confidence and skills necessary to perform high-quality CPR when needed. Using the same trusted design of the Professional Adult Manikin, Preston is now introducing a new PRO Plus Adult Manikin head, featuring a functional oral and nasal airway. In addition, an improved lung bag design for fast and easy installation. To install the lung bag, simply squeeze the blue buttons located on each side of the head and remove the face assembly. Secure the plastic ring at the end of the lung bag onto the oral nasal insert tube. Attach the face assembly back onto the base of the head by aligning the two pieces together. A new PRO Plus face shield has been designed to fully cover both oral and nasal airways. Simply line the face shield up and secure it to the ear pins on each side of the head. The current Preston Professional Adult Face Shield can also be used. With the introduction of the new PRO Plus head, Preston is enhancing realism with a functional nasal airway. When administering breaths, the chest will rise only when proper head tilt chin lift is performed and the nose is fully pinched, or with the use of a bag valve mask. To sanitize the face skin and oral nasal insert between trainings, simply disassemble the head and remove the face skin and oral nasal insert. Clean by using disinfecting wipes or by hand washing with hot soapy water. The Preston PRO Plus Manikin is available in medium and dark skin tones, and in a single or 4-pack. The PRO Plus head is also sold separately, allowing you to upgrade the Professional Adult and Series 2000 mannequins. To learn more, please visit Preston.com or contact your Preston authorized distributor today.